Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA TS7750i. This printer is perfect for home. This is a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. This printer is also with Wi-Fi connectivity, USB connection, and ADF, automatic document feeder. Special features: auto double-sided printing, display screen, auto power on, auto document feeder, touch screen, borderless printing, maximum print speed of 15 prints per minute for monochrome. This printer also have option for you to select PIXMA printing plan. You choose a printing plan that suits your usage. Intuitive UI allow operation with streamlined, customizable switch UI system, tailored available function to your specific need, work, study, and lifestyle. Fast printing with printing speed up to 15 prints per minute for monochrome and 10 prints per minute for color. Print a borderless 10 by 15 cm in 19 seconds. 35 sheet ADF automatic document feeder. You can copy and scan multiple sheets using automatic document feeder technology. Mobile printing capability. This printer supports Apple AirPrint, Mopria for Android, and Canon Print app. This printer uses ink cartridge 585 and 586. 586 is colored, 585 black. This printer is compatible with Windows and Android, iPad. What we want to do is we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. This is the information pack. Ink cartridge 586 color, 585 black, power cable, 3-pin power cable included. This is with recycled stuff. See this printer, what it looks like. This is white color. This is ADF. Rear paper tray. Front casket. LCD screen. Flatbed scanner. If you have any paper jam, you check for any paper jam and debris and put the cover back. The power cable goes in here and the USB port on the side. USB cable goes on the side, but USB cable is not included in the packaging. You lift this printer up. Once you plug this printer on, the ink cartridges holder is on the right side. Once you switch the printer on, it will move and position itself. And also you have also maintenance box on this corner here, maintenance box. So to set this printer up, just need to take the power cable, plug the power cable, then connect this end to the socket. Switch the printer on. Now, once you switch the printer on, it will ask you to select your language. So this is touch screen, then you select English. Set up English, you select yes. Is for you to switch this printer on. This button is for you to go back. This is the home. This is for you to copy color, and the top one is for you to copy black, and this button here is for you to cancel. So it will ask you now, the next is asking us is for paper casket. So to load photo, to load paper, you take decent amount of paper, then go to the paper tray, adjust this, and adjust this to the right side, then load the paper. So you have the bottom casket and the rear paper tray as well. So how to load paper, then adjust this. This is A4 paper, then you go in, okay, then you select exit. Now the next is if you want to load photo paper, you can load photo paper at the back, or you can load any particular paper you want, then adjust it. Once you load the paper, do you want to enable automatic fireware update? You select enable or disable. Enable is recommended, so you select enable. For instance, it will show you what you need to do. So you lift up the printer, and now install the ink. Lift this up. You need to push this inside, open, push, and lift up. So now we're going to install the ink cartridges. So you take the ink, this is black 585 black. Remove this plastic, then you go in, and it's in. Then do the same thing to the colored one. Remove the plastic, then you go in, then push this down, push down. So if you want to close this, go backwards movement and close. The cover has been closed. Start alignment to improve print quality. Prepare A4 paper or letter size plain paper. If you have no paper, you can perform this letter. So select perform letter as OK. So select OK to start. Load 1 or 2 sheets of paper in the casket and select OK. Tap print to start. So start printing. This will take about 5 minutes. If you want to load paper at the back, you can also load paper at the back. So to load paper at the back, you take the paper you want to use at the back. So go at the back. So you can go at the back and load particular paper you want to use. This is A4 paper as well at the back. So you can load at the back and adjust it. So this is A4 paper at the back here. When you want to print, then you need to decide. The printer will pick the paper from each section, from paper casket or from the rear. 4 minutes remaining. Canon will appreciate your cooperation in allowing your printing to send anonymous usage information to Canon. You select next, select next. Do you agree with the terms and conditions? Select agree or disagree. So you can select disagree. Device information will not be sent. Select next. Printer setup is complete. Now you are ready to copy. So now I will ask you, do you want to connect computer or smartphone to a printer? Then you select yes or no. So this is how to load paper tray, complete alignment head, and also install the ink. Thank you.